All right. We welcome all of you to come back now. Still the late night show, and of course now on top Wazobia TV every day happen. Mona, don't forget, say you fit jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Make I talk am again at W Late Night Show. If you look for the bottom of your screen, you go see am somewhere there. You go see am there. Now be this at W Late Night Show. So just go to top Twitter, follow us, give us comments, make we know how every day they go. Now. Easy bit, you enjoy that Justina stage performance, Abi?
You don't see the way the parrot take day. The part they come bust my head. She they perform. Now white guy there back, they play the drum.
They just play, they play the drum.
The guy did there. Make I do this thing.
They do the whole thing. I want to in the spirit. You say some come be like saying a worship song. Oh yeah.
But you say some genge ones there.
Yeah, some genge ones there.
Be on the long run, I go like feel those.
As we continue for the shows, we go jam them inside. So we need those kind of music, more of them. One or two more for this country. You go outside, noise. Come back house, noise. You enter your motor, noise. Bang, 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 dun, 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 go everywhere. People, nobody has the same one place again. People now they think well again. You understand me now? But anyway, which way, just now, thank you very much. So you join us on top every. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring in another of my guy, crazy somebody. He's a crazy comedian. I want boy, I know say if now to say clean the drum Chris yesterday. This one another Chris. Ladies and gentlemen, help me make welcome my brother, my friend, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Talk again.
Comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Bash in the building. I call my shoe.
We are in a second mood.
In a secondized mood.
In a very second
in a Zulais Paplobus Meloblos.
In a Krikun Kakrum Higiaga.
Somewhere along the line.
Wait, I take right that song.
Which of that?
It's something like aerobics.
Aerobics.
One hand on your waist, one hand on your chest. Oh yeah, second. See punishment. You just go.
Everybody
main road they go so. From there they go open door. They enter police station. They open cell. Enter lock you. Now when you go second back, people go say bail. For the right hand, the bail is free.
Your jam iron as they come out.
Okay, you don't know me.
Okay, you don't know me.
Second inside cell.
Second
when
there.
your family bring bail, we go bail you. Second there.
Bash!
Oh, bolo.
They made me see. I thought this thing just now. I don't know why out of all these comedians there, we don't some of us all day now. I'm ministry in a while now. Now let me know the agree hard with.
My brother, if you see as they envy you.
You don't me like this? Serious?
That's what I don't a puff. People can't look me record. You don't say again where you go puff rich. You go can't look me record shock.
You talk on yourself.
This can't be me.
Seriously?
This is so now don't go back gym.
So you don't the gym like this now?
No, it's a gymming things, exercise.
But you know for this country now, they always do people that way don't move. See that they make the money.
My brother.
But they see some guys who they move for they see they say bros, please.
You get one quote for Bible we say the age of Methuselah have got nothing to do with the wisdom of Solomon. If you like big, if you poor, you poor.
Yes.
My brother, when we small, people will get bald head, they say they be millionaire. Now when we grow, you don't say some people when they push condo, they are bald head, don't start from here and from back. So don't be that one forget. No, if you move, people skinny people, that got to do fat now.
You just day on the
normal.
But wait, Basho, anytime you dey for stage, I don't realize one thing. They always get this particular joke the way they always drop. I guess I go ask you this question when you come here. What will be your issue with Yoruba boys and Igbo boys? They always do yes.
No. One of my normal gist now. You know, say I be one of the. You know now.
Yes.
Few comedians will be say I know the right joke. I they talk things where they happen.
Exactly.
So since now Lagos I leave Lagos, go on the chair, go Ebonyi, go Abakaliki. I they go north.
Yes.
Arguably, I've been to almost every state in Nigeria.
And also outside Nigeria.
Outside Nigeria, but arguably Nigeria. So now things where they happen around me and where they read for news, now they take right gist. So if you hear me talk about Yoruba, I be Lagos. I talk about Igbo, I they go east.
Yes.
If I talk about like you now, you be Delta.
Aquadale. I don't know formulate new things though.
What's the name of the governor of that state?
Of which of the state?
Aquadale.
The governor, see, as we call, want to election now.
No, that explanation be this. That question, what
do political things? So right now, we not to get governor like that. the governor, but I can be considered for that particular.
My brother, you just have your commissioner of finance. You governor, I'm into financial matters. Who is a commissioner?
But seriously, Bash, on the more serious note now. Yeah. Now back to that same thing I just asked just now. Because me, I want to hear that gist again. One of my favorite gist from
that
you.
blow, no.
that blow.
You know, while I was growing up, I grew up in an environment called Bariga. Bariga be like Ajegunle.
Yes.
Where they reach. So I tried so many things after school. We they also do a lot of things. But my brother, I can't do mistake, go learn boxing. Now I composed the joke. Where still
For boxing, where you go learn?
Hey, my brother.
Yeah.
You get what it is. You call it punch.
Punch.
Yeah, we call it blow.
Blow.
I don't say blow for Nigeria. Any blow will be like this.
Yes.
Now, sir.
Okay.
I go do like this. Only one be a coup Any blow will be like this.
When they took inside hand.
Now Yoruba. Yoruba blow like this.
Okay.
Igbo Kwenu.
Hey!
Nah. An Igbo man, it's called blow pinch. A combination of blow and pinch with advertisement. When you have said, nah, don't try me. Who are you connecting to? When you take this thing touch you, you know I'm not joking. My brother. So I learned so many times. I realized punch because, you know, during boxing, street things, I learned punch. I realized what blow can do to your ministry. You know, so you get blow where they go give you, they go take light. Now outside you do, but you go notice a light go. Boom. You go take light. When they bring that now, you they shout up nepa when it's lower. So what's wrong? So I realized a lot of things. So I write things about my environment. But the Igbo things that Yoruba people, we can't fight. But we can announce. Oh, Shodi. Now only Yoruba man, two Yoruba man go face this. Allah. Now they call you know they Igbo man, they don't advertise.
Exactly.
Igbo man, first one, you're respect your integrity. Now, do you know who you are talking to? Nah, even me. Next week, go there, Igbo man, go there, boah, go come tell you. Now we punch you.
He don't punch you already.
One. Like 4 points. Nah, this blow we touch you. But Yoruba people will like advertising.
Advertising, jump up and down. Say,
come on. You get one with the woes. One aboki. The Yoruba guy for show the just the aboki will just come from Bono. Na soldier. The guy don't carry gun in palm, don't become palm, hand, leg, foot. Palm will be like tray.
How to leather.
Only one was where the guy is egg, but why? I just noticed the Yoruba guy just stand there like this. 3 hours, he no move. Now we near him. Bro, I say yes. Follow that brother. Now you call me. Bashiru. Bash. How many times did I call you? I said 3 times. Emma, bring me to hospital. They carry me to hospital. My brain don't shift with that slap. Wait till God provoke me. That's what I call do it. And then I see officer, no triangle. Only one way give her, you know, if he move. This one are paralysis. So that's the condition. Forget the halwa. So it's a social content things that happen around me.
Why is he getting so what you talk of this particular guy? They call the test ground.
My brother, you don't thought that. Now Igbo guy, no matter Igbo guy beat Yoruba guy rich, he must put wrestling.
Wrestling must enter inside.
You won't beat him, go come carry him up. Knock him for ground. Boah.
True.
As carry him the second time. Now the Yoruba guy where they carry the announce. Egbema jendele. My brother may not knock me again. Now the Igbo guy could come the check. Now this place is too soft. This place, because if you knock on that one, final whistle now be that.
Applause, my brother. Bash. Yeah. If you want a picture, we will get for here. I'll say I go ask you what happened for that particular picture because I put that one time up for Instagram. People won't ask me questions there. One particular one. Now, I didn't know when you do your bash goes to school. Your comedy things the way you don't arrange for ground.
Okay, for campus. Yes, that one a bash go to school. Now campus store. Arguably, I'm one of Nigerian comedians who travel past when it comes to universities and tertiary institutions. I've been to about in Africa about 120. So, oh, that is Kaka. That is not bad. Kaka the learned out. Oh, Monuabi.
This picture. I love the picture of all my rats. They make me the joyful most time when I see.
Oh boy, picture they work out. This one is suicide. Person shop this kind of food. Imagine when you enter, maybe you see this kind of food for your babe front. Babe, which just me, where they form tissue for me, just bust enter room, see this kind of food. I
say, baby, now here you watch up your life and everything. Now here you watch up everything.
That's the skit. I think I'll drop it for you guys so that you can show it. It's called, you know, my kind of brand because I started with music. You know, I'm a professional dancer.
So,
I was Lagos best dancer for like 3 years. I was
Lagos best dancer.
At 97, I was a professional.
Like say plenty of us don't hustle this dance.
My brother.
See this one right there. So he said, don't dance for me.
Brother. You don't see Jericho.
Now the new one be that.
Where the guy they go? I go, oh, Phil Collins. Oh, sorry. Nah. Yeah.
That's true. Say Curry will come today. Finally. Una for the sheer cream.
Oh.
But he said don't dance that year.
Okay.
He live dance safe. Constantly do squeaky wiki. Me safe.
My brother.
Before comedy begat.
I learned DJ. I was a dancer.
Oh, so you yourself is crash.
I first crash now with DJ Shino.
Yeah.
DJ Shino I learned from now. Now DJ Shino, I started comedy unofficially 2000, officially 2002. And DJ Shino make me that campus, they carry me go everywhere.
From campus to campus, those things
my brother, now by blowing, I will thank God where we are today.
So comedy can't come where?
Comedy did not come. Then we formed a musical group called Unique Boys.
Unique Boys.
Unique Boys come the largest Unique World. We have a lot of people there. Ellen Paul was part of Unique World. Nice. Unique World. A lot of us. So that's why if you buy Nice first album that I released in 2005, you are going to hear Bash and Nice.
Okay.
Some Skit, Bash and Nice.
That time.
So we started like that and like play. We push and small. So Bash go to school is for my campus people because I started from there. Then my show, where they come up, so me I know advertise, it's called Meet Bash. That's the way you see in Kaka. Kaka the Learn It Out is my comedy. My skit.
Okay, but you create them around that particular
skit,
character.
about that character. The guy, that Lagos guy, the over sharp guy. What he did there, what he go do there, be say, the guy enter, buy one fufu, one meat, soup, carry briefcase, dress well.
With briefcase, so?
And you open briefcase. My brother, fufu where they there, you go shock. Now he begin mount am. He get where he mount the fufu reach, fufu can't top us up. The person who can say the fufu can't confuse. Wait, how many fufu this bros buy?
Actually,
how many fufu is the 9 years? I said, my brother, you bought one fufu. I said, yes, that's the most important thing. Did I buy fufu here or not? They said you buy. They said the only one where you buy now you go shop. He said it's not possible.
It's not possible.
I bought the guy even call with your pure water. Now they call him I care movement. They carry him through outside. You go shop.
But that particular one, you just be like the story of where Jesus turned two loaves of bread and 5 fishes into multiple. If it happen now,
my brother, forget to. Now where hustle don't carry your street for this country. So okay, people they prepare food. I'm not joking. That thing happened to somebody for one eatery. I won't name the eatery. He prepare bag, put for bag. That's where the joke. I things that happen.
So it actually happened.
Happened. The guy they will call him Area. Yeah. Don't be joke. I want eatery around some place. The guy prepare bag
on his own
for him bag. Don't be joke. Come buy normal eba for eatery. They give him soup. Come sit down. Come go sit down for one lungu, one corner. They don't notice this guy did there 1 hour 30 minutes. They shop. How many be there? But wait, if you cut 1 year, go cut 5.
Oh.
By the time they will move the ministry, my brother,
there was an exposure.
It was suicidal because by the time that guy finished that eba, they know wait, they know if he was shot finish. So that's Kaka the Learn It Out, my comedy, my skit series, and my show is coming up Meet Bash, strictly by Ivy for my guys them. It's called Meet Bash August Muzon. Strictly by Ivy.
Boys are vexing now because it be like this now. Everybody they know these days not just to define platform to go do your thing. Create your own platform.
My brother.
Create your own platform.
You know the industry like the other guest is getting bigger. So the competition is getting stiffer. It a big more. So you need to be creative. You need to be fast thinking. You need to be on your toes. Cause my brother, level way boys where they back they take vex.
The younger ones, they vex now. They vex. Actually, I carried this guy come last 2 weeks here, Kenny Black. Those one they are set.
No, Kenny Black get natural problem. A lot. Those they are set. So you have to be on your toes.
They're not just happy. They give you run for your money.
They're happy say, bros, they Ogbolo Bash, they hammer. No, we must deal with him.
We must go there and take over.
Yeah, so that's it.
But any which way, Bash, I think I ask you this question. You know that I dropped one gist just now about one blockers gist. Saying now they don't feed the replace things now.
My brother. You
understand? So men don't be happy now. So anything for you happen now.
That is a serious matter.
I need a replacement.
You see, anything that have to do with the
transformer of every
it's a very serious thing.
Exactly.
You see, because some of us it's a private thing that you can't exchange. That you can't but where we go get donor?
That be the problem. See, for this, the only problem be that
we need donors.
You go see where people now go they
kidnap their neighbor. They don't need to come up from like us, people for human being.
They never talk that one yet, but
maybe they try and now go walk. By that time, all the horses where they this world, my brother. People go just I need 5 horses. I need 5
donors. 5
donors.
horses.
That time, wife go complain, say, honey, boy, is this not okay?
So we can manage it. Stop it.
No, that time. So excuse me. 70K go to say no problem. By the time you understand where the ministry is going to, now you go give me balance. but that's a very good invention. At least they've done heart.
Yes.
They don't do
kidney. They don't even do brain, oh no.
They don't do brain.
They don't do brain.
They don't do. But this is a very important issue.
They change it.
My brother.
Some people look their neighbor say, oh my God.
But wait. Some things apart from that, they don't do. They do man to woman.
Hey, not true now.
They don't.
They change. They don't change man to woman.
No, I go shock you with your happen. We did one event for UK. One of my own boy, I know now they follow me talk say I'm a TS. I never hear that before for my life. They look, so I say I'm a transgender.
Transgender.
I don't understand. I can't say me explain. You know, say that guy thing. You need say him be woman wait on man or man wait on woman. I got shock. Say Ogbolo, you like this. I was just in the next 2 weeks.
Just change.
We all make her get pink lips, eyelashes.
But big,
like, hello, Bash, how you doing? I go first laugh, say that this can be Ogbolo. They are joking. So when they go finish the movie, because I don't say na acting, you just no forget. But so that's a very good invention. We thank God, chap. But my brother,
you get up and you play. You can't really say one thing. Do not things.
Now you go to suspect some of your guys, though. Because if you dey piss, you don't look. Donut. Too big donut.
The video called they kidnap some men.
We got kidnappers.
You also say men just a loss.
Yeah, hands up. What? Your man alive. You say wait, donut. For what? Donut.
So people is money or life say good.
Money or donut.
They say your blockers on your life.
No, you say blockers. No, you say money or donut.
Oh,
because you know if you know maybe na heart, kidney, liver, this one. You don't know the one we do. But if you come money or donut, which donut? Say my brother, they don't come out and move. Now don't be me. I don't donate to another person. Now I can't pour one day here now. I can't
pour not feel. You
see, when you go sell, now you go lead, I go follow. This one,
na joke.
No, are you talking?
You know they are politicians now.
They are what?
They are politicians.
Yeah.
Make statements on top stage.
They are what?
They are politicians. We got one funny video. We won't play. No. By the time I play the funny video, we'll come back onto the show. Ask Bash one question, one small thing. I want to make him take use his head, take crack. After that one, we'll come up on top of the whole show. Now,
make money because we pour champagne. Yeah, champagne. Yeah. Anything we do in life, we do champagne. Champagne. Yeah.
Cut. Thank you, Mr. Patrick. You are doing great. I need you to put attitude, okay? Make it real. Make it real. All right.
Yeah. Alright, the name is Patrick for Chizu. Intellectual, spiritual. Yeah. We pop champagne, we drink champagne, I eat champagne. Anything I do, Patrick is my nickname. Champagne rolling in my big van. Yeah, I'm king of champagne. All the girls see me, they call me champagne. Jay-Z, they fear me. We bust it, champagne. Continue,
Continue now.
Who's that man, Papa?
What do you mean you say Messi Papa?
They know they pop the champagne. Now bring it before I go pop the money.
What's all this? You are shooting pop champagne video.
Ask the bunch, Don Jazzy. Nobody they pop, now effect that they use. Ask effect.
Are you teaching me my work?
Go ask KC. All this bling now fake everybody they wear.
What do you mean?
How you gonna pop champagne? Who they pop champagne for?
That's to make it real.
Which mean?
She has to pop it. We are shooting pop champagne video.
They know they pop.
What do you mean they know they pop am? My work?
No, you don't even know your work. How you go pop champagne? Who will come for this champagne?
But
Give me the
Mr.
champagne.
Patrick, 1.5 million. The most expensive champagne you must pay. Please. I don't want problem.
Let's get out of here.
And I never blow. Now so the bank they shoot at for fit buy house for Lekki. Which kind of team be all this one now? Now me be the first to sing. They know the pop up. They know the pop up.
Oh, Lagos is too sweet.
That's
not the guy who sang for champagne.
Are you sure?
Mr. Man, what are you doing here? Are you not a champagne boy?
I tell them, say they know the popper. They know the popper. They go pop the champagne.
Come back here. Come, young man.
All right, ladies.
But you even...
Welcome back. Mr. Patrick won't kill us. Then the papa.
15 years, still they serve for there, they pay for champagne 1.5 million for waiting.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, when I come back, I see the late night show. My eye don't full well. I think that's my friend, my brother, my friend, a comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bash, inside the building. All right, I say I want to ask Bash one question, sharp. This is my eye full like this. Hey, Mr. Patrick. Then they pop up.
Inside the gate, the babe know they hear. They know the pop.
Yeah. Now what you make? Yeah, they dance. They see my big face. Yeah.
When you make me laugh, that guy come tell us say 1.5 million. He say we are never blue. Go get the money from.
Okay. All right. Okay. Bash.
Patrick not good. Patrick not good.
Okay. Man, that comedy skit messed me up.
That's a skit.
Okay. All right, quickly. Easy bit. I need that sound. That's how the let's play for the question things on the background.
Okay.
All right, so, Bash.
You
go guys to think for this particular question I want to ask you now.
The option now, even who want to be a millionaire, they call them.
No, this one option not there for this one. Option not there for this particular one. Option not there because not be option kind of question. All right, so Bash, comedian Bash. If you like, look at that. Answer not there for there. Now, if aeroplane they come from Ghana, enter Nigeria, make I come again. Aeroplane, they fly from Ghana, they enter Nigeria. They can't crash for the border of Ghana and Nigeria.
Wait. Who they inside the plane?
Wait first, aeroplane carry people inside now.
I know they there.
I know they inside, know they inside.
Can go.
The kind of people they come from Ghana to Nigeria. They can't crash for the borders of Ghana, or make I say in between Ghana and Nigeria. Where they go bury the survivors?
Border now. No border they die. Wait, seriously.
For which of the country they go bury the survivors? Think out. They fly come from Ghana. They come crash in between Ghana and Nigeria. Where they go bury the survivors then?
How many hours they take flight from Ghana to Nigeria?
The normal how they take the flight from Ghana to Nigeria.
Which country? I bury them for Cotonou now.
No.
No be border between Nigeria and Ghana.
No.
Where they go bury them? And a very tight question.
You got to think where. You have to think where. For the last time, because the answer they inside there. You got to know the whole thing. Flying from Ghana to Nigeria, they crash in between the two countries. Where they go bury the survivors? And you feel like bad guy. We ask bad question. Okay, make I tell you the answer.
They bury them for the border.
For which border?
For the border now. Where border they crash.
Okay, make I tell you now the answer now. The answer be say, you know if you bury the survivors.
They don't
Survivors are survivors. Nobody died for the crash. You don't know the answer.
I won't pick up.
When they go bury the survivors.
The survivor. That means say they survive. They know they bury them now.
Exactly.
They know they bury them.
They
bury
them.
You know the
You
answer.
ask me. I know I'm not.
Oh, nice one. Nice one.
You have to be
smart. You have to be smart next time.
Exactly.
I'll just take you for Maga don't pay. Oh God. Oh my God.
It happen. That means now you the owe me one now.
May I ask you a question?
I ask me.
Ogo korobiti. Ogo korobiti. Owo ni jẹ́ kí jagba to translate it to English.
It means that the late night show won't finish now. I
know you're right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll thank everybody who don't join us for the show today. We say biggest thank you to Justina. We follow us falling here today. But don't forget, her 2 albums a day outside there. The one there for, you know, her stage performance and everything. More Blues with Justina, okay? More Blues with Justina Lee Brown, A Touch of Blues. All right? And at the same time, the one for everybody, for our Nigeria people them for here, compilation of everything when she experienced from that thing where she go through for her sick bed and her recovery bed. So I'm gonna make sure so now get this one for iTunes, for justinalebrown.com. Go there, go jam these other ones there. Of course, my guy, my G, my brother, my friend, Bash, will join me for today on top of the show and every. You know what he do. That's my brother, yeah. Cheers. All right, when I go at W Late Night Show, go there, go follow us, yarn everything. Follow us for there and go follow on our back. Thank you very much for joining on top of the show for today. From me and Easy Beach, they say good night to everybody and God.
Cut.